So guys, now you are looking at the first ever phone from Samsung with a triple camera. It's official. Samsung's long rumored first phone with 3 rear cameras, that is the world's largest phone maker, just issued a press release announcing the Samsung Galaxy A7. So the A series device does have no less than 3 camera sensors on the back, making it the first popular mid-range line to include such a setup, and perhaps an indication what we are to expect from the Samsung Galaxy S10 this year. So let's talk about the key thing, which is the cameras. The main A7 sensor, however, is a rocking 24 megapixel with pixel binding technology. Similar to what Huawei does with the Huawei P20 Pro, what it does is combining the information gathered by 4 pixels into one, presumably with higher detail, exposure and color quality. The kicker, however, is that Samsung is using the binding technology for low light photos, which is insane. So the 24 megapixel unit and so-called the depth lens work in tandem to achieve next levels of Samsung's live focus feature, which is glorified bokeh with adjustable depth of field levels post shot. This promises some pretty savage portrait photos out of the mid-ranger, but will save judgment for our actual samples with the device. So the second sensor is 8 megapixel. What does it do? Well, Samsung calls it an ultra-wide lens. So its tasks are backed right into the title and mean a 120-degree field of view. For those moments when you can't fit the whole band into a surrounding window, this is the similar feature LG does with the G7, though that's one wide lens covers 107 degrees. The front-facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy A7 is 24 megapixel. If we talk about the design, the mid-range is made out of premium glass material and comes in blue, black, gold and pink, plenty of options for every taste. This is a 6-inch device with 1080 by 2220 pixel AMOLED display with 18.5:9 display. It will come with the Android 8.0 Oreo board. It will have 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and you can use micro SD card slot as well. The battery is 3300 mAh, which is a pretty good. It will come with the micro USB port. If we talk about its price, it will come with the $407 price tag. So guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in comments down below, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.